ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच। फिफ्थ चैप्टर कर्म संन्यास योगम 21st श्लोक। बाह्यस्पर्शेष्व्यक्तात्मा बाह्यस्पर्शेष्वसत्तात्मा विन्दत्यात्मनि यत्सुखं स ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा सुखमक्षयमश्नुते. This is 21st shloka. So here Bhagavan Krishna says, one who totally detached from external objects, he finds the supreme Anandam in his own Atma. The Atma within inside, he finds supreme Atma, supreme happiness, supreme bliss, supreme Anandam in it. Because of what? He is totally detached from external objects. And now he finds the supreme happiness in Atma. What is the next step? He should keep it permanently. He should keep permanently that. What you supposed to do for that? What a jnani is supposed to do for that? He should be permanently doing contemplation or meditation on that particular Brahman, so that he is firm establishment on that Brahman, or he attains supreme bliss, supreme Anandam, supreme happiness, always permanent happiness. So two things: to find happiness within you, you have to be detached from external affairs or external objects, and to make that as permanent, to make that to be always, you have to contemplate or meditate on that Brahma Jnanam or on Brahman always. So the happiness also is always. The supreme Anandam also will be always. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular shloka. So two things: you should be detached from external affairs and external objects. You should not have any like, even dislike on the karma palas. And one who attained the supreme knowledge, you find certainly the happiness in Atma. To maintain that, you have to contemplate and meditate upon always on that Brahman, so that your permanent happiness which you find in Atma, that will be everlasting. Always you will be Brahman. Always you will be in that supreme Anandam. Always you will be in that supreme happiness. So detachment from external object, meditating or doing nididhyasanam always on that Brahman. These two are the quality to find Atma, supreme happiness, supreme Ananda within you, and to maintain permanently, to attain permanently, to establish that Brahman permanently. You need meditate nididhyasanam on that Brahman. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 22nd sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namah Harihi Om Tat Sat.